I'm going to try to take some pictures of birds here at the Great Sipawissat Marsh. I rode my elliptico with a trailer and all my camera gear out to the Great Sipawissat Marsh to make a video about birds. But it's really a video about how few birds there are these days. Concern about the welfare of birds inspired one of America's earliest pieces of environmental law, the Migratory Bird Treaty Act of 1918, which was constructed to protect migratory birds from harm or death at the hands of human beings. The act protects hundreds of different species of birds, but among the most famous are the egrets. During the late 19th century and the early 20th century, egrets were being killed by the millions so that their feathers could be used to make high-fashion hats. The Audubon organization and public outrage finally persuaded lawmakers to provide legal protection for migratory birds, making it illegal to harm or kill them, which saved the egrets from extinction. But 100 years later, bird populations continue to diminish as a consequence of human encroachment on their habitats and the toxic effects of human pollution, and even the threat of death by flying into power lines and tall buildings, or landing on oil waste dumps that they mistake for ponds. If you like this video on YouTube, please click the like button, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for your support.